What's the meaning of angioplasty? Angioplasty. 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 Angioplasty.
Angioplasty is a medical procedure used to treat narrowed or blocked blood vessels, typically in the coronary arteries of the heart. During the procedure, a small balloon catheter is inserted into the affected artery and inflated to widen the vessel and improve blood flow. This can help alleviate symptoms such as chest pain and shortness of breath, and may even prevent a heart attack. Angioplasty can be a minimally invasive alternative to open heart surgery, with a faster recovery time and lower risk of complications. Overall, angioplasty can greatly improve the quality of life for patients with cardiovascular disease.